Opening scene, a cinematic shot of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom gliding down an open road, showcasing its elegant design and commanding presence. Welcome back to Upcoming Car Update. Today, we're diving into pure automotive luxury, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom. This masterpiece of engineering is more than just a car, it's an experience of ultimate sophistication, power, and innovation. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Phantom's presence is undeniable. The iconic Pantheon grille is now even more pronounced, seamlessly integrated with an updated LED lighting signature that gives it a modern yet timeless aura. The Spirit of Ecstasy emblem proudly sits atop, symbolizing prestige and class. Moving to the side profile, the long wheelbase and smooth body lines ensure that this Phantom exudes elegance in every detail. Rolls-Royce has introduced new bespoke paint options, allowing owners to customize their vehicle to an unprecedented level. Exclusive two-tone finishes and hand-painted coach lines add to the bespoke craftsmanship. Under the hood, the 2025 Phantom is powered by a refined 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, delivering effortless performance with 563 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque. The Whisper mode ensures that even at high speeds, the cabin remains a sanctuary of peace and quiet. The ride is smoother than ever, thanks to advanced air suspension and road scanning technology, making every journey feel like floating on a cloud. Step inside, and you're greeted by an oasis of luxury. The Phantom's interior is a blend of hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers, and the finest metals, all crafted to perfection. The Starlight headliner, now featuring customizable shooting star effects, enhances the cabin's ambience, making nighttime drives truly magical. The updated infotainment system includes a fully digital instrument cluster, a massive high-definition display, and a new voice-activated assistant, ensuring seamless connectivity and entertainment. The rear seats, often referred to as the best place to be in a Phantom, now offer massage functions, a refrigerator, and an ultra-premium audio system for the most refined travel experience. Safety and technology have also been enhanced. The 2025 Phantom comes with advanced driver assistance systems, night vision, and autonomous driving capabilities, providing both security and convenience. With a starting price exceeding $500,000, the Rolls-Royce Phantom remains the epitome of luxury, exclusivity, and automotive excellence. That's all for today's update on the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more upcoming car updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.